New long-range aircraft soars over California during remarkable test flight. Qantas cutting-edge Airbus A350-1000 flew for over 24 hours. By Ariana Bindman, News Features reporter, July 28, 2026. Plane spotters watch as a Qantas Airbus A350-1000 ULR aircraft, part of the airline's Project Sunrise fleet, arrives at the Melbourne Airport in Melbourne, Australia on July 24th. Plane spotters. A new long-range airliner soared high over California on Monday before finally touching down in France on Tuesday morning after flying for more than 24 hours straight from Australia, Qantas Airways announced. Built for the carrier's Project Sunrise, the cutting-edge Airbus A350-1000 is designed to fly passengers non-stop from the east coast of Australia to London and New York, a world first according to the company. A Qantas A350 and 1000 ULR aircraft arrives at the Melbourne Airport in Melbourne, Australia on July 24th, 2026, after a 19-hour and 13-minute delivery flight from the Airbus factory in Toulouse, France. William West, AFP, via Getty Images. Per public flight records, the aircraft departed from Melbourne at 5:30 p.m. on Monday and passed directly over Los Angeles and Las Vegas on Monday afternoon after crossing the international date line. It then flew over Canada and the North Atlantic and arrived in Toulouse, France, where the A350 and 1000 was built, just after 6 a.m. on Tuesday morning local time. Footage released from the company shows the unpainted plane landing after flying over 3 continents and 2 oceans over the course of 24 hours. During the flight, it passed through 2 sunrises and 2 sunsets, a July 28th post on X said. Measuring about 74 meters or 242 feet long and capable of holding 238 passengers, the aircraft offers spacious recommendations such as a designated well-being zone where weary travelers can stretch out and relax, as well as premium cabins complete with memory foam beds and reclining air armchairs. Jet-lagged travelers passing through different time zones can even select different lighting settings based on circadian rhythms, right? I have a circadian rhythm, and you have your own circadian rhythm. Per Qantas, the planes will offer 6 first-class cabins, 52 business suites, 40 premium economy suites, and 140 economy suites. Daily non-stop flights between Sydney and London are slated to begin in October 2027, with tickets going on sale in February of that year. Qantas press representatives did not respond to SF Gates' requests for more information before the time of publication, because they have nothing planned yet, right? Tickets will be sold in October 2027, man. But it will make a reservation. It will allow reservation in February, right? Going on sale. it will go on sale, right? Go on sale. Tickets will go on sale. Well, that's it. Thanks for listening. Have a great time, man. Great time. Ariana Bindman, news features reporter. Ariana Bindman is the news features reporter at SF Gate, where she has reported and written features and breaking news stories for news, local culture, travel, sports, food, and politics verticals since January 2022. What is a verticals? Her story on abandoned cars in Oakland won a San Francisco Press Club award in 2022, and she's been invited to speak on radio stations like NPR and KCRW. To submit tips, comments, or cat videos, please reach out to her at ariana.bindman@sfgate.com. So I should look up the verticals, right? What is a vertical? We know the word vertical, but maybe different articles, verticals, not horizontal, vertical, right? Upright line, upright position. So these doesn't produce any good results or newspaper verticals. In publishing, a vertical is a specialized content section or beat that covers a specific topic or industry. For example, technology, sports, lifestyle, finance. Unlike horizontal news that appeals to broad general audience, digital newsrooms and print publishers create these dedicated sections to target niche demographics and secure targeted advertising. So those are verticals, right? Time magazine uses a lot of verticals. I noticed that when I read Time magazines in my college years, right? And the verticals, I didn't know, so they are called verticals, not horizontals. So it targets specific audience. Maybe I was one of their target readers. We learned the word verticals, right? Verticals. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.